Okay, this is a video to show the operation of the gas logs. To light the pilot light, first thing you want to do is take the gas valve key. I usually leave it on the mantle. Insert it here and turn it counterclockwise all the way on. So on the left side of the logs, this is the igniter, and it's just a little push button here. I'm not going to push it yet. Then on the right hand side, it's kind of hard to see, got this little knob here, and to light the pilot light, you can see the white dot. You want to align pilot with the white dot. Okay, so you see they're aligned. So what I'm going to have to do is push this black knob in that says pilot, push it in and hold it. That's going to start the flow of gas. And the gas is going to come out of this little tube here. And you can see the little probe. That's the igniter. So, okay, this is a two-handed operation, so I'm going to kind of have to set the camera down while I do this. Maybe I can just set it right here. Alright, so I'm holding that down. You can hear the hissing of the gas. The first time you light it in the season, you will have to hold it down for a full minute to get all the air purged out of the line before it will ignite. So hold the pilot down, and with your right hand, then with your left hand, you're going to push that igniter that I showed you previously. Alright, so you can hear the clicking, and I don't know if you can see that. You see the blue flame. Alright, you have to hold the pilot button down for probably 15-20 seconds, and it gets that little probe in there has to get it hot. You can see it glowing red, and that's what tells it that there's a flame, and that it keeps the valve open. Okay, now to turn on the gas logs, go back to that same valve. You'll see on down at the bottom. So you have to push this knob in slightly and turn it counterclockwise so that on is lined up with the white dot. Okay, and you kind of feel it click a little bit when it gets aligned. Alright, so now it's in the on position. Alright, this little black box here, you'll see there's three settings: off, remote, or on. If you put it in the off position, nothing's going to happen ever. So that means the remote's not going to work and the logs are not going to come on no matter what. If I were to switch this over to the on position, the logs are going to cut on. That's kind of a manual way to start it. But what you want to do is put it back in the middle position for remote. Alright, so here's your remote. To turn the logs on, you just press on. You hear the click, you hear the gas, and wait for it, there we go. You can see the nice flames here, and also you got the simulated coals down at the bottom. I've got a couple of the logs removed just so that you could see the igniter button better. I'll put those back on in just